Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Miss People's Choice is Miss Philippines! Congratulations, Miss Philippines. You're now part of the top 15. Miss Indonesia.
Congratulations to Miss Indonesia. You are
Miss Ecuador. Miss Hawaii.
Congratulations.
Fiji.
Our beauty from Fiji. Congratulations to Miss Singapore. Congratulations. Next, Miss Portugal. Congratulations, Miss Mexico. It's a cheer for her country, okay? Miss Malaysia. Congratulations. Right now, top 15.
There we have it, our next. Puerto Rico.
And also,
Miss USA.
congratulations to Miss USA.
Thailand.
Congratulations, Miss Thailand.
Tonga.
Tonga, our beauties from Tonga. Congratulations.
Miss Colombia.
Congratulations. Taiwan.
Taiwan.
13 ladies who make it to the top 15. What's it?
Of Miss Face of Beauty International.